Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about adding polynomials. Let's proceed to our video tutorial on adding polynomials. Alright. Hello, so let's proceed to our very first example on how to add polynomials. So first thing that we need to do is to line up our polynomial. So we have here our first polynomial to be added to this polynomial. So let's write them in vertical form. So that will be easier for us to add our polynomial. So our first polynomial is 5x cubed plus x squared minus 3x minus 7. That's our first polynomial. Next, we will add this to our second polynomial. And for our second polynomial, it is x squared minus 6x plus 9. And in order for us to add, let's use the operation addition. Okay, we will align our similar terms to our first polynomial. So we have x squared, so we will align it here. X squared. Negative 6x, we will align it with 3x. And 9, positive 9, we will align it with negative 7. And then, now that it is aligned to its similar terms, we can now apply combining like terms. So we can add them by adding their coefficient and applying the rules in integers. So let's start with negative 7 plus 9. So negative 7 plus 9, that will give us positive 2. Okay, positive 2. Negative 3x plus negative 6x, since they have the same sign, copy the sign and then add. So negative 9x. So 3 plus 6, that will be 9. And that we will just copy the variable. So next is x squared plus x squared. So since they have the same term, same variable with the same exponent, and their coefficient is 1, so we will just add 1 plus 1. So x squared plus x squared, that will be 2x squared. And last one, since 5x cubed doesn't have a partner, we will just bring it down. So 5x cubed. Ayan. Okay, and then that's it. The sum of these two polynomials will be 5x cubed plus 2x squared minus 9x plus 2. Alright, so that will be our final answer. Ta-da! And that is it for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave it in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, please go to my channel, Teacher Justin. Okay, that's it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video.